Have you ever noticed something strange? You know what you want to say. You can think clearly in your head. But when it's time to speak, your mouth freezes. Your voice becomes weak. Your words disappear. Your confidence collapses. You walk away thinking, "Why didn't I say that? I sound so stupid. I wish I could speak better." Let me tell you something important. You do not have a speaking problem. You have a mouth training problem. Because speaking is not just about language. It's about muscle memory, confidence, and habit. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to train your mouth to talk. Welcome back to the channel where we help you build confidence, improve communication, and become the best version of yourself. If you want to speak clearly, confidently, and without fear, subscribe and turn on notifications. Now let's begin. Most people think they are bad speakers. But the truth is, they are just untrained speakers. Think about this. When you first learned to walk, you fell. When you first learned to write, your handwriting was terrible. When you first learned to ride a bike, you crashed. But you kept practicing. And now those things feel automatic. Speaking works the same way. Your mouth, tongue, lips, and jaw are muscles. If you don't use them often, they become weak and stiff. That's why your pronunciation feels unclear. Your words come out slowly. You sound nervous. You forget what to say. Your brain is ready, but your mouth is not. So you hesitate. You stutter. You stay silent. This is not because you're shy. It's because your mouth is not trained for communication. Here's the biggest lie people believe. I will speak when I become confident. No. You become confident after you speak. Confidence is not something you wait for. It's something you build through action. Every time you speak, you train your brain. You train your mouth. You train your nerves. Silence makes fear stronger. Talking makes fear weaker. So the only way to become a good speaker is to speak even when you're scared. Imagine your mouth is a gym. If you never go to the gym, your body becomes weak. If you never speak, your mouth becomes weak. So we must train it daily. Here are the 4 powerful exercises that will transform the way you speak. Exercise 1. Read out loud every day. This is the simplest and most powerful training. Take any book, any article, any story, and read it out loud. Not in your head, with your voice. Your lips must move. Your tongue must work. Your jaw must open. This builds pronunciation, clarity, confidence, speed. Do this for 10 minutes every day. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a partner. Just your voice and a text. Exercise 2. Speak to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and say, "Today I am confident. I speak clearly. My voice is strong." Then start describing your day. I woke up. I ate breakfast. I am practicing English. It feels strange, but it works. Why? Because your brain doesn't care who is listening. It only cares that you are speaking. And speaking builds confidence. Exercise 3. Shadowing method. This is used by actors, public speakers, and language learners. Pick a YouTube video of someone speaking clearly. Play 5 seconds. Pause. Repeat exactly what they said. Copy their tone, their speed, their pronunciation. You are teaching your mouth how to sound like a confident speaker. Do this for 5 minutes daily. Your accent, fluency, and rhythm will improve fast. Exercise 4. The one-sentence rule. Most people are afraid of long conversations. So don't start with long conversations. Start with one sentence. At a shop, say, "Hello, how are you?" At school, "Can I sit here?" Online, "Nice to meet you." One sentence is easy. One sentence builds courage. One sentence becomes 2. 2 becomes 5. And soon, you are speaking freely. Here is a truth that will change your life. People do not care about your mistakes. They care about your energy, your confidence, your attitude. If you speak with fear, they notice. If you speak with confidence, they respect you. Every fluent speaker you admire once made thousands of mistakes. Mistakes are not embarrassing. Silence is. Many people hate their voice. They say, "I sound childish. I sound nervous. I sound boring." That's because your voice is not used. When you speak more, your voice becomes deeper. Your tone becomes stronger. Your speech becomes smoother. Your voice is a muscle too. Use it, train it, and it will improve. You will never feel 100% ready. Confidence comes after action, not before it. So, speak when you are nervous. Speak when your hands shake. Speak when your heart beats fast. Each time you do, fear becomes smaller. From today, you are not a silent person. You are a speaker. Every day, read out loud. Talk to yourself. Shadow speakers. Speak one sentence, and your mouth will learn. Your brain will relax. Your confidence will rise. Remember, your voice is your power. Train it. Use it. Own it. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment. I am training my voice. And I'll see you in the next one.